Thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
Alright, where are we going?
Lawnmower races?
Lawnmower races. Who's gonna be racing?
I don't know.
Rednecks?
What?
We're gonna watch Rednecks race. Now see that shit? Home of Dixie Outlaws? This bullshit ass fucking redneck lawnmower race. I gotta go to. I got in for free, so it's okay. Cause Bobby paid. Thank you, Bobby.
You're welcome.
Son of a bitch. Alright, so are we gonna win?
We're not racing.
Here we are.
No, we're not.
We're gonna win that race to the porta potty. Hurry! Son of a bitch, they got in. Oh my god.
Right beside country music.
Alright guys, we're here beside country music. It's playing on the fucking 95 KSJ bullshit. Here's the track. Later on, I will be recording the fucking race. So you guys can watch these rednecks fucking go around in circles and enjoy this fucking goddamn lawnmower race. Fucking cutting grass at high speed. 100 miles an hour. I don't know how fast they go for real. Probably like 40. It's gonna be bullshit. As you can see, we are packed. Everyone's here. It's like 3 vehicles. Shit, Bobby, why'd you convince me to go to this?
Hold on.
Shit. A horrible person, Bobby. Horrible person.